In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use this stock to make over $700 a month, even though I'm down some 70% on this stock. And I'm also going to show you a lot of my positions and where I'm at. I'm kicked in the ribs just like everyone else. Stick around. I know you're going to like this one. Hey, welcome back, everyone. It is time for another red hot cover call video. Well, hey, look, John is back in front of the mic, and I'll tell you what, absolutely fired up because you want to see how down I am. A lot of people email me saying, look, John, we love the cash flow, right? We love the attitude that in retirement, you need to absolutely keep trudging along, stay the course because the bills don't stop. Well, that's the mindset here. And I'll tell you what, I am not even fazed by this current stock market downturn. Largely because I've been in the game so long, I know this is what they do. And if you haven't noticed, they're kind of finding their footing now, and we're getting more up days than down. Now, that's not to say we're headed back to all-time highs, but do notice the volatility is still there. A lot of opportunities to put money on the table. Okay, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that stock that I'm down almost 70% on, yet I generate over $700 to $800 a month. We just keep turning it over and over. It's a mindset with this stock. Sure, I'm down 70%. But that doesn't take away from the fact that I am knocking down $700 a month. And if you ask me, that is some good crumbs. We're going to do it, and we're going to do it as long as we can. Now, I'm also going to show you some of my trades, actually most of my trades, my current trades, and where I'm at with cost basis. I get that question all the time, and with me doing my recent cash flow for March, making over $5,000, man, a lot of people are like, John, we love it. We don't want to hear it, okay? We don't want to hear that you're out there doing exactly what we should be doing, okay? Let me tell you. If anything, I am the man in the mirror, right? I'm the man in the mirror to lift you up, right? I know it's so easy to get frustrated, so easy to turn off the stock market when the markets are not going your way. But look, we have to stay in the game because the bills need to be paid, right? If we don't do that, then we can't live the life we want. With that said, for some of you, this is very confusing. You want to get into the game, but it is overwhelming. What I'll tell you is this is probably one of the more easier option strategies where we literally buy a stock and we give somebody the right, but not the obligation to take it away from us at a price we pick for a time frame we pick, and they pay us a per share premium. See how easy that is? There is not much to this. You just have to get your experience and do it, okay? That's the important thing here. We want to do it because once you do one trade, two trades, you won't need me anymore, and you'll be on your journey of generating monthly cash flow in retirement. Now look, today's video is brought to you by that like button, okay? I notice a lot of people are fading right now, and what jacks me up is if you hit the like button. When I see you bang the like button, that tells me you want me to come back. Okay, so I want 200 likes for this video. I will show up back on YouTube when I see this video have 200 likes. So please, please bring me back. Love sharing my story. Absolutely want to jack you up. And hey, leave me a comment below because if I don't get 200 likes, I want to remember all the good times. Now look, let's go ahead and get to this. If you've never been to my channel, I want you to subscribe to the channel. It's right there and it's free. And hey, look, bang the like button. It lets me know you like what I'm doing. And yeah, what I'm doing is begging for likes because it helps the YouTube algorithm. I derive $97 a month doing this YouTube channel, and I donate that. It's not about money. It's about you learning something from the stories I tell. And if you like it, all you have to do is let me know. Now, what we're doing is this. We're making a lot of trades. We're in June. This is month number 6. When we finish this month of June, we are half the way through this year. Now, as of right now, I have above $40,000 booked. You know, I always show you my numbers for this year. I forgot to add the $1 dividend I received from Rocket, a stock for which I use in my selling premium portfolio. And that dividend paid me $4,000. I have 4,000 shares. So I have to add that to these totals. I don't cherry pick my selling premium portfolio. If I collect dividends, stock appreciation, or premium, we book it. Everything else is buy and hold. We don't book that. Okay. So what we're doing is this. We're making about $40,000 in 6 months in a stock market that has crashed over the past 3 months. Do you remember when times were good, right? We were in December rallying some 20%. I absolutely loved it, but I told everybody there is no catalyst in 2022 to keep going higher. In fact, I told a coworker that I was going to sell my entire 401k plan and sit on the sideline. Well, I didn't take my advice, and in fact, he talked me out of it. I shouldn't have, because I'm now down seriously in that account. With that said, we keep going with the selling premium portfolio. And as you can see, everything down here, these are book trades down here, so you can see them. And we've done quite a few. And you could see where the red in this column right here are buybacks, and the blue in this column are buybacks. Well, that's what we do. We place a trade. When the stock peels back, we buy those back, and we look for the next favorable trade. I do not sit on my hands. I'm very active. And as you can see, we do a lot of this, generating that $5,000 in March. Tell you what, $40,000 in this stock market, again, it just reaffirms what I'm doing is right. Man, tell you what, I absolutely love it. Now, let's go ahead and look a little deeper into the stocks that I have now, the trades that I have, and the ones that are sitting on the bench. All right, as you can see, I'm already fired up today. I actually got an email from somebody that said, look, you're always talking about all the money you make. Show us where you're at in your portfolio, because you absolutely cannot be up. Well, remember, it's about cash flow here, and whether I'm up or down, we're generating cash flow, which gets put on the table. We pay the bills. Do you get the mindset? If you don't, you're in trouble. So let's talk about my positions, because my selling premium portfolio is down just like everyone else. Doesn't mean I stop. I spin the plates. I pick up the crumbs. We keep marching on. Okay, if you haven't figured that out by now, you need to have that attitude, because in retirement, if you don't have that income stream of a pension, an IRA that brings in the big dividend, you're going to have to go out and work. You're going to have to do a 9 to 5, and your health might not be there, or you just don't want to do it, right? Or maybe you're out there, you want to live the good life. Right? You got young kids, you want to help them with college. Well, you need to step your game up and take the attitude like mine. Regardless of where we're at in the stock market, there's money to be made. And that's how I see it. Now, with that said, let's talk about my current positions really quick. And we'll also go through as to if I'm up or down on these trades. Remember, I'm going to show you a stock for which I make about $700 a month, and I'm down 70%. So I want you to stick around. That's a perfect mindset stock to use here. So as you can see, let me blow this up a little bit. I have many trades open right now. You see the symbol there. The green means a standard covered call. I own the shares. Purple means it's a poor man's covered call. And red is a cash secure put. Okay, I do that for the members. So here's the deal. You know I have Riot. I have Riot at about $18. So Riot is now kicking at $6.38. Now I have 1,000 shares, so every time I do a little crumb, we're picking up what seems to be about $300, $400. Haven't been able to spin this like I wanted originally when it was trading near 18. I was looking to get $1.50 every single month. Well, it fell with Bitcoin, and here we are. So now I'm picking up baby crumbs. You could see 36 cents for this last premium. Nice little 30-day trade. Rocket, of course. Rocket, I'm down. I think my cost basis is 18 on that as well. We've been trading that for over 2 years. 3M. I love trading my 3M shares like I talked about in my last video. I have 200 shares and I have 2 leaps. We just keep picking up baby crumbs with this. We have till January on the leaps. We're going to do it every single month. This thing rarely test my strike prices. Love picking up what looks to be around $200 for those leap call options. Man, I love it. Cash on cash percentage gain is much bigger than me owning the shares outright. Now, UDOW, I did a great cash secure put on UDOW. You know that my cost basis on UDOW is 65. So as the stock has fallen with the rest of the stock market, of course, UDOW is kicked. It is a 3x leveraged ETF to the Dow. Okay. So it is down tremendously. I was able to write a little crumb covered call, a 64 strike, where even if I have my shares taken away at 64, that's totally fine. I pick up about $1 here. I picked up a $5 premium on the cash secure put for which I was assigned the shares. So that's going to be a winning trade. Merck is a buy and hold, so my cost basis is like 20 bucks. So we just spin that for that buy and hold covered call, try to collect a little extra dividend, as I call it. Gilead is one that my cost basis is in the 68 area. And right now it's trading for about 63. We're just using this as a little crumb trade as well. Pick up 100 here, 200 there. Does not matter. Gilead's going to trade in this range. I love it. XLF is that financial sector spider. Okay, I'm in about 38 there. It's purple, it's a leap, but when I got involved, the stock was trading around 38. It's now trading at 33. So we're down on that position, but we keep spinning a little crumb, 56 cents. Looks like that 35 strike is challenged. I'm going to manage that trade by buying the option back. I might have to pay a little bit, but then we'll roll it to the next month. Now, Morgan Stanley is another leaps option for which I got in higher. I think it was around 88. Now it's trading for about 84. So not too bad there. We're able to keep spinning the plates, making the little bits of cash flow that we're looking for. Now, bros, right? Dutch bros, I loved it at 57x. This thing has fallen because of earnings, but here's the amazing thing. It has absolutely rallied. It's rallied because Wall Street overreacted. The markets were crashing, right? All that negative pressure. Well, now it's rallying back up. I have no problem being assigned those shares. Now, Mara is a beast all to its own. If you remember, back when it was trading at 56, I did a 55 cash secure put. As it blasted through that strike price and fell into the 40s, I think I did a 36 strike, and here we are. Mara is now trading for $8. Now, I'm going to make money on that cash secure put, but it's not going to be much. It was just a roll out and roll forward trade at the time, thinking Mara would not be trading at 36. Well, it's trading for 8. We're going to be assigned those shares. To be honest with you, I might even try to write some covered calls with Mara, but with it trading with Bitcoin, Riot and Mara are seriously down, might be taxed harvesting these stocks. Now 3M, I'm in about 160 there. The stock's trading for about 147x. The Cisco leaps option was fabulous. Absolutely loved how at the bottom of its trading, when the stock was being crushed during earnings, loved how I picked up that leaps option. Sent that to the members as well. We went ahead, bought that leaps. We wrote that 30-day covered call. That right now is a very profitable trade. Now, TQs is one I've been kicked in the ribs. Remember, I was assigned these shares at 70. So now with the stock trading at 32, I'm literally holding on to this bag. I haven't been able to do much with it, but again, it's the indexes. When the markets recover or rally a little, this thing will move higher. We'll get out of this trade. I'm not worried about the TQs at all. UDOW, UPRO, TQs, all 3x leveraged ETF to the indexes. We just have to get the indexes off their ass and have them moving higher. We'll make some money there. Now look, did you bang the like button? Seriously, if I get 200 likes, we're back on YouTube. Please, if any of this is of value, I have so many spinning plates in my life right now, finding time to come up with a quality video, even though I do it once a week. I know you're like, dude, you're pathetic. Everybody's making content every single day. You can't bring us a weekly video. Well, look, we're out there in real life. And so many spinning plates in my life right now. So what I'd love for you to do is let me know you want me back. Bang that like button. Now, if you've been with me for any length of time, you know that I got involved with Rocket some 2 years ago. Made some good money. In fact, I've made over $25,000 with Rocket. I love just writing these little tiny covered calls, try to collect about $700 to $800 a month. The members get my trades. Everything I do, they get. Absolutely love it when I can break it down, let them know what I'm thinking. Maybe it ups their game. Well, in this case, I have to go back and edit this. This is wrong. I made $720 on this trade. I bought it back and I went ahead and rolled it for another possible $800 crumb. I'm going to show you on the chart how this stock trades, and maybe if you have a stock that's down 70%, you can take some ideas from me. Now, let's go to the charts. I want to show you what I'm thinking about this trade, for which I did a covered call with a $9.50 strike. It's currently trading at $8.43 when I place this trade. I pick up a little crumb of 20 cents. Potential cash flow is $800. I want to show you the chart because that tells the real story. Now, this is a great moment in the video that if you found any value in it, you hit the like button. I know I would have at the beginning, but maybe you were a little distracted getting your coffee. Let's go ahead and do that right now. While you're doing that, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm seeing with Rocket. And here it is. Rocket trades, although lower, in a range that's getting to be pretty bankable. Now look, I don't like the fact that I'm down 70% on this dog, but we're going to take advantage of the trading range. What I did was I bought back that last option for 7 cents. Was able to pick up that $720, but look at it start to belly over. Once it starts to belly over, we have time decay happening. Right? So now I could sit on my hands with that last trade. But what you may not have noticed is I have over 2 weeks to try to collect 7 cents. Now, I'm not going to do that. I made 25 cents. I pay back 7. I make a total of 18. I roll it to the next month. And here's the deal. As it's bellying over, I write the new covered call here. And again, it's the 950 strike. So what are the chances? Outside of a black swan event, there's no company events. Really, this thing is just going to tread water. And it might find itself moving higher again. Now, when it moves higher again, we'll be at time decay. My 20-cent option will turn into 5 cents. We buy it back. We roll it. We roll it. We roll it. Okay? So there's a great opportunity to make $700 every single month in cash flow. It's a stock for which I'm down 70%. But do I let that worry me? No. Its job, its only function in life is to do this kind of trade. It's a trade for which I can bank on, and to put 7 crisp $100 bills on the table to start my month with a stock that I'm down 70%? Yeah, get the mindset, right? I want you to focus now. Get your mindset right. We have tools in our toolkit. That's our selling premium portfolio. We need to use those tools to get the job done. The job is to put money on the table. That's the mindset. So what I want you to do, if today is the very first day you've ever seen me, I want you to subscribe to my channel because this is what I'm thinking about and this is what I try to bring to you. I want you to bang that like button as well because I want to come back and show you the next Red Hot Cover Call video. Hey, look, folks, I'm going to leave it there. I absolutely hope you're handling this stock market fall, the emotional side of it. See, we're all down, right? There's no secret there. We're all down. But if you keep your emotions in check and you stay the course and do what you have to do, you'll still put money on the table. You will win when others are losing. Okay? Hey, look, it's been fabulous. Absolutely love the lives I've touched. Be sure to bring me back. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy. Most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.